I could hear this young bird begging for food from its parent, so I stood and watched for probably 10 minutes. Have a look. That young bird is so much bigger than its parent. It's a bird that was adopted by the parents unknowingly. The young bird is a young cowbird, and the parents never raise their own young. In fact, they find smaller bird nests in order to lay their eggs so that somebody else shoulders the burden of raising their baby. And this parent is a song sparrow. That's how it works in nature sometimes.